Okay, welcome back again, our dear viewers. Today we have another unboxing video, and it's a special one. We don't know who we've got the gear from, that's not true, but that's not the exciting news. The exciting news is we've made an upgrade to Ron. Wow, what do you think? That's incredible. Oh my god, you sound so much better this way. Say more. Talk to me like them French girls, Ron.
Okay, we gave you, we decided that this time you are in the lead. We have received a box from, and then you take it from me.
No worries, no worries. Okay, so we're very excited because as of now we are working together with Rusty Stiches. If you haven't heard of Rusty Stiches before, now you do. Rusty Stiches is a upcoming urban motorcycle gear company. They're cool, they're hot, we're wearing their t-shirts, but they sent us a box of gear to review. And we're here to show you what that is and share our insights. So let's open up this box and see what's inside. Alright. No matter how many unboxing video you do, it's always clumsy. Always.
That's part of the fun.
Oh, clumsy. Okay, so the box is full. It's a big box. It's full. That's good news, right?
For you.
Right. Okay, so a little bit of backstory. Last time we did an unboxing video.
The Revit gear, you mean?
It was Revit, yeah. Okay, we're talking about Rusty Stitch today.
Yep.
But it's not hard to find our recent video before this one. And Ron got all the goodies in gear, and I was a little bit left in the dark, but not today. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just look. Rusty Stiches. All right, that's a gorilla with a cap and a beard, and that's their name, Rusty Stiches. Remember it. All right.
Cool.
And we have here what it looks like. A leather motorcycle jacket. I'm just going to take it out of the package. This is the Yari black jacket.
How do you spell Yari?
J-A-R-I, and we'll put it in the description below so you can find it. But you'll read our experiences on our website because these are going to be extensively reviewed. But more on that later. Okay. Just said to Ron, no matter how many unboxing videos you do, right? It's always clumsy, and this is not an exception. Did you pull it off?
People go for the sound.
What?
The sound of paper, sound of plastic. That's what they go for.
So annoying.
That's why people watch unboxing videos.
So annoying. Okay, let me do the talking and you do the smelling, I guess. Okay, Rusty Stiches. Okay, cool urban motorcycle leather jacket. It's got 4 pockets on the front, 2 on the side, 2 on the chest. It's got a YKK zipper and a double button collar. This is the size XXL, that's for me. And this is a full black leather jacket. So I'm just gonna open it up and show you what the inside looks like.
That's the way.
All right.
Show them the embroidery on the front.
Of course.
That's cool. That's cool stuff.
All right. So first, on the inside, we have a thermal liner. As you can see, Rusty Stiches brand. I do love the smell of leather. I can't deny it. So I'll just put this one on, and you can see what it looks like.
Show the embroidery. This is a nice quality leather, nice and shiny. It has a matte gloss sort of finish to it.
Okay.
Man, cool.
I need to put on some makeup. I need to start putting on some makeup.
Yeah.
The reflection. Okay, diamond stitching on the shoulder.
In the back.
Look. Oh, yeah, okay. Stop.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Just. I'm gonna stop right here because I need this to be a real first impression, and my first impression is that this leather is incredibly subtle. Really subtle.
It is. It looks very comfortable.
It's ridiculously comfortable.
You know, I've had jackets before, and they were of really thick, sturdy,
very stiff
leather, and you need to break it in like you break in shoes, or you know, when you have high quality leather shoes.
This one has inner pockets that you can reach without removing the liner, which is an extra, really nice extra feature. The inside pocket inside the liner to store away your stuff. All right.
Yeah, cool. Very nice.
Okay, I need to lose some weight,
Okay.
but that's a different story. You know, fat guys. Boom. You know, big guys. I was gonna say fat guys, but big guys like me ride motorcycle too. Actually, I'm willing to say that more guys like me ride motorcycle than guys like Ron, and we like to wear comfortable clothing as well. And for those guys, I'd say this is super comfortable.
Sorry guys, it was the boss calling. She's away in Portugal working and checking what I'm doing. Honey, we all got this. We didn't buy it. They just sent it to us. You know, but we have to work. We have to work. Good. This
All
is
right.
the jacket.
The Yari leather jacket.
Okay.
We'll see more on that.
Let's speed up a bit, otherwise this is going to be like a half-hour
Okay,
video.
no
It's a
worries.
long-form video.
We have here a couple of leather Rusty Stiches belts. All right, these look pretty cool. We're gonna wear these as well. We're gonna have to check the lengths. We have received them in a number of lengths, but it has a metal buckle and it's the same kind of leather. Actually, it's 48-121 genuine leather, which is really good quality. So we're gonna try this one out as well. Next up, I've been really looking forward to these. All right, so what we have here is a pair of Rusty Stiches motorcycle gloves, and these have a very cool worker glove look, right? They're very flexible and light. That's my first impression. They don't come with any hard knuckles, but you know, these are designed for riding in an urban environment mostly. And the plus side is they are really comfortable. Like
Like the jacket.
yeah, I really like the jacket.
I like the yellow on the inside.
Yeah, it's a really nice. You know, I like yellow, right? I like yellow, and it's a really nice contrast with the black on the outside. Are you
the yellow guy or am I the yellow guy?
Well, Ron, you know what? You ride a green Triumph Truxton with a yellow headlight. I ride a green Royal Enfield Classic with a yellow helmet and a yellow light. I can agree that we both like yellow.
Okay.
And that's why I think...
We'll get to the yellow one later.
Okay, we'll get to the other one later.
Yeah.
Next, Rusty Stiches have sent us...
We do it simultaneously.
Yeah.
Let's go for it.
1, 2, 3, okay.
Okay, let's see. What do we have here? Oh, it's a helmet.
You beat me to it. Oh.
Very nice.
Oh no, oh no.
Oh yeah, that comes with the helmet. There's a little visor. Pull the visor that goes on the...
Yeah, it's a sun visor.
Okay. Oh, nice.
I'm gonna be honest with you, Ron. I rarely use these, but you know that...
This is the old-fashioned stuff, man.
Yeah, it's really classic.
Yeah, exactly. Classic is the word.
Okay. Okay, first things first, Ron has the black with white finish. I have the matte black with yellow finish. The black with yellow finish comes with a beige brown suede finish on the inside.
That's nice.
It's it looks really comfortable. It looks like high quality.
It goes well with the jacket and the gloves you have.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
And Ron has the black and white one, and it comes with a black liner. Small details, but overall, you know how some helmets, they look like, instead of your head sitting in them, it looks like the helmet is sitting on your head. Mm-hmm. And it depends on the shape of the shell and the shape of your head. You always have to try a helmet, but I found that these helmets, these Rusty Stiches helmet, they always sit really well with the shape of my head, and I think we have about the same shape of head.
I like them.
Yeah.
You know, it's like going back in time.
We're gonna test these extensively as well, so more on that soon.
Testing them, not hitting the road. test.
No, we're trying them out for comfort.
I did that with a pair of jeans I had to test once.
Watch the videos. Go back in history.
Go back and it's what was it called? After the fall. That's the video.
Yeah, you gotta watch that. If you haven't,
My first fall in 35 years. Okay.
All right, we have t-shirts. Well, we have one already that we're wearing, but we've got a couple of others. So this is a cool tee from Rusty Stiches. I like it. Not gonna lie.
This is the long shoe.
And that one is mine. No, that one is mine. It says medium. Okay.
It says medium. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
But it's a cool shirt.
These are definitely cool shirts. Cool, some cool Rusty Stiches gear. We have here
a pair of gloves.
Your pair of gloves.
Oh, it's my gloves. Okay, so
congratulations. You see, take note, people. When I take care of something, I take care of Ron. When Ron takes care of something, Ron takes care of Ron.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. And thank you, Rusty Stiches, obviously. So, okay, so this is something I've never had before.
Me neither.
This is a bag that goes on your leg. It's called the Back Gordon Black. It's definitely something.
Leg bag.
It's something I'm looking forward to try out.
Are they the same?
Yeah, we have the same one. So, what does it look like? Well, I think I'll need to do a separate video on this one because it needs a separate video. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to go on a motorcycle trip pretty soon. I'm going to wear all the Rusty Stiches gear.
You're going to go on a road trip on your own,
Absolutely.
Right? Thanks very much, pal.
4 days. I didn't tell Ron when exactly, so he couldn't join. I made sure of that. But I'm going to be trying out these all these gear actually, and this one in particular. I'm eager to see.
So who's going to take the pictures and who's going to do the video?
Yeah, you know what? It's called a timer. It's on your camera, and you can use it, and then you don't need anybody really. Actually, what are you doing here right now?
Hey, don't call me if you get lonely, huh?
Okay, fine, you can stay. All right. Leg bag. Haven't tried one before. Really eager to find out what it's like. So stay tuned on that. What I can say about it is that it's made in a weather and wear-proof material. It has this faux carbon look finish to it, and overall it looks really nice. It looks really nice. And I'm just going to assume by looking at the zippers, the way they're designed, that it is fully waterproof. Yep, it's fully waterproof. So, thank you.
Good.
That's
the first for us both.
I think we're done, Ron. I think we're done.
Nothing in there?
No.
I see yellow.
Nah, it's not.
I see yellow.
Nope.
I see yellow. I see Kill Bill. I see Kill Bill. Okay. Yes.
I just have to say that this is ridiculous and I love it.
Quentin Tarantino, eat your heart out. Look at this. You know, I hate being lonely, so I need attention.
This is
when I'm on a road trip.
Remember the pussy wagon?
Absolutely.
It looks like a pussy wagon.
Look at this. Look at this.
It's perfect.
Guys and girls.
Yellow and red. This is insane.
It has a Uma Thurman smell to it. It's her perfume.
Is it?
Man.
Rusty Stiches? Uma Thurman's perfume? I don't mind.
Okay, let me put it on. Whoa. This is the wildest jacket I have ever had.
It looks nice, man.
I've had some pretty wild jackets in the past.
It looks really nice. It pops. It pops. It pops.
You know all these people wearing those neon-colored vests and neon-colored helmets on road?
Yeah.
Who needs it if you can ride around in this? I don't know about you, but you know, I don't mind being seen. I don't mind being seen in a jacket like this.
And I think, in essence, it's the same jacket as the one I have. No, it's not.
No, it's different.
No, it's not.
It's totally different.
This is actually their chase jacket. This is their trademark jacket. This is where it all begun with for Rusty Stiches. And this is what set them off. Absolutely. This is their best-selling jacket. And there's a good reason for that, because it looks absolutely stunning.
I think it's amazing.
It looks stunning. And I have to say that normally I don't like you, but wearing that jacket makes you a little bit more bearable, not gonna lie. All
Yellow
right.
bastard.
Yeah, your words, my friend.
Okay.
But I stand by him. No, this is their chase jacket. It's in yellow and red. It's a daring color. And actually, this is what we want motorcycle riders to wear. Because
Yeah. It's
Why
gonna
not?
look great on the picture. I'm absolutely sure.
it looks like you're doing 100 miles an hour already, just standing there. Absolutely, no, really.
So this was the Quentin Tarantino edition.
Inspired by Quentin Tarantino. Could we cue the music? Jungle Boogie?
I think that's Is it Jungle Boogie from?
Jungle Boogie, from the opening scene from Pulp... Oh no, that's Pulp Fiction.
No, that's Pulp Fiction.
Pulp Fiction.
What is it? Okay. Send us a note saying what is the opening.
We'll find it. We'll find it.
The tune from. No. Yeah, we want the theme from Kill Bill. What is the theme from Kill Bill? Let us know.
It's in my head. I just can't come up with it.
And send us the answer, and we'll see if we can whip up a nice reward for your prize or whatever. We'll see. Anyway,
Long story short, this is it.
you wanna do the subscriber?
Yeah. As you know, for our regulars, we always ask you, and we always will ask you, to please like our videos, share them, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button.
Hit it hard.
Share the videos with your friends, your co-workers, bore them to death with it as far as we're concerned. Comment on anything you like or dislike, we'd really like to engage with you. And make sure you head out to www.bikebrewers.com and follow us on our socials. Instagram @bikebrewers.com, Facebook bikebrewers.com, and I think we're also on Pinterest. Yes, we are. Pinterest as well.
Yeah, we have.
We're everywhere.
Yeah, we have a lot of people following us on.
What's the name of that virus that we're not talking about anymore? Don't say it, but we're kind of like that. We're everywhere, and we're contagious.
Good.
All right.
Thank you very much for again bearing with us. We enjoyed it. Don't know if you enjoyed it. If you do, tell your friends to start following us too. We need your support. Thank you very much. Thanks, brother.
Okay.
Good luck on your road trip. You're gonna need it.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye bye. Ciao.